What's up, y'all? We're back in the J-Biz Retro Corner, and I'm sort of pissed off because I got this sweet-ass 3D printed waifu, and she's just fucking stuck. And I don't know, man, like, I'm pretty sure glass is gonna come off with this either way. So I gotta try something new, and I don't know how to do this. I haven't looked anything up. But most people say to freeze it, and I've tried that, and that's just going to break the glass, because I've done that before, and it just totally breaks it. So we're going to try something new, and I don't know what this is going to do. It might just fuck me up. It might fuck me, like, I don't know, man, dude. I can't take this thing being stuck on here anymore. So we're going to heat this unevenly. And see if we can get it to loosen up or something. Now maybe if that top gets a little heat on it, it will start to peel from the brim. Okay. Give that a break, give that a feel. Oh, we're nowhere close. We're nowhere close. Alright, we got a ton of mass here of massive glass, and we're nowhere close. Now you can see it's kind of coloring. It's coloring different. We're getting somewhere. So we're doing something. Let's just keep it going nice and smooth and even. On this one top part, hopefully to peel it. I just cannot take this girl, this hot, fine lady being stuck to my glass anymore. And if I have to break my torch, break my plate, or break her, I hope not, I'll do it. But let's get her unstuck. I'm tired of this. I need to have this build plate back. So we're gonna just freestyle it here. I'm gonna give that a break. That's like shitty. Let me put that knot there on my bed. And let's, where's the scraper? There it is. Let's see what we can do. I was heating the top part. Ow, fuck. Yeah, okay. Do something. We gotta do something. That's the whole thing. You can't just sit around and plan and just wait and do nothing. You gotta at least start and do something. Alrighty. So we got it from the brim, I believe. And now that it's up, I think I'm gonna let it cool so I don't pry this all apart unevenly and crappy. I think I'm just gonna try to pry it up nice and gently instead. I just needed to get it started. And that's kind of, we'll see if the heat, there's a little bit of heat, maybe that'll help not take glass up. I might want to heat it some more. But, you know, what you want to do is go around the perimeter just like that. And once you're around the perimeter, you can start working in. And sometimes, like, you free part of the other side by freeing the perimeter on the side opposite it or something adjacent to it, whatever. There we go. So we got this off. No glass came up with it except for, I think that's just dirt. No glass actually came up with it. So is this a good method? I do not know. What we did was we heated the back side of the plate. We pulled up the one layer. We'll probably go ahead and cut this and make it all nice and even. And she looks pretty good. I got some finishing to do on her. Paint her up as well. She's like a little wrestler. And Japanese little wrestler, just so you know. Not that it matters, but why not tell you. Yeah, I don't know. This worked okay. I don't know if this is something people do because I've not looked up if people do this, but this was how I decided to free my model from my build plate when it was extremely stuck over adherence. So, over adhesion. So that's just what I did, and I guess it worked out for me okay. No glass came up, and I would give that a 6.9 out of 10 rating. I don't know, man. It works okay, not perfect, but 6.9 out of 10. Thanks for stopping by JBiz Retro Corner. We'll give you an update later on how we're going fixing these Wii U gamepads. Anyway, stopping again. Take care. Peace.